if you want to know a secret, okay, I'm going to be doing an underarm detox, a deodorant spray, and what was the other one? Oh, and an underarm purifying cleanser. Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be doing an update on the DIY Witch Hazel deodorant spray that I DIY'd like a month or so ago. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know my thoughts on it. Did it work for me? If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari and my channel is all about informative beauty, from hair care, skincare, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. As well as if you like what I do here on my channel, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's talk about this. So if you're not familiar, I did a full DIY video on this Witch Hazel deodorant spray. I will leave the video above and down below for you guys to go and check that out and see how I made it. It was really simple, really quick, and combining all these ingredients that are really great for the underarm care. Now, if you don't know, I have been deodorant free or chemical deodorant free for about 3-4 years now. So I've been sharing with you guys my journey of me going along, things that I've used, my tips, my tricks, things that have worked for me, things that have not worked for me, and I have a full playlist of that as well. I will leave it above, down below, go check it out. But just to give you guys a little bit of background for those of you guys who are new to my channel and just coming across this video, this is what this is all about. So how did I feel about this deodorant spray? I like it a lot. You guys know I like Witch Hazel. I like lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of my key essentials for the under the arm. I don't necessarily like it all over the body or as a fragrance, but I do love it for my underarm because it just meshes with my underarm scent really well, and it just makes me smell good, really good underneath the arm. Witch Hazel is a good way for not only keeping odor away, but also for the fact that I wax. So it really does help those ingrown hairs stay away. So there's a lot of great combo benefits in this DIY Witch Hazel spray that I have made. Let's start off with what I did like about this. I like the fact that it's simple. I like the fact that it was easy to use, and I like the fact that the ingredients are comboed. And I just pretty much said that, but I like the fact that this has a lot of great benefits, not only for the moisture of my skin, but the care of my underarm because I do wax, and the fact that there's antibacterial properties going on there as well. And I mean, it did the job. I wasn't stinky, I wasn't smelly, I didn't smell bad or anything of that sort. So I did like it for that. There's only one thing that bothered me about this, and it could very well, I relate it more so to the Witch Hazel because there was like this sweet and sour smell underneath my arm. Like, and maybe so because you are more, you know, intimate with your own self in a way. There's like a boyfriend or something, they're all up under your arm or something like that. You're more intimate with yourself, so you can kind of smell yourself more before somebody else smells yourself. And it was like this faint, sweet, sour smell that I did not like. And I believe it's the witch hazel in this. And I just think when you put witch hazel on the skin and it sits, there is this scent that does come up from it. And that's what I smelled underneath my arm. It wasn't horrible. It doesn't like repel me a lot, but I just didn't like it. I was like, don't like that smell. And I mean, it wasn't like it was stinky, just it was kind of sweet and sour. Like, I don't really know how to explain it. If you have ever used witch hazel under the arm, or if you ever just put it onto your skin, let it sit and then smell it for a while, or let it sit for some hours, or maybe it's my body chemistry mixed with the witch hazel underneath the arm, it just didn't work. Okay, so there is some tweaking that I want to do with this. There are some other things that I want to throw into this and get this going. Okay, Now, I'm going to do a little bit of a shameless plug right now. If you guys do not know, I do have a online Etsy shop, Body Care by Eunice, and currently I am working on a few products that I will be putting in my shop that are specifically for the underarm, okay? I will leave links above, down below. You guys can go click and check out my store, visit my store, see exactly what I'm working with. And also, if you guys ever had a custom order, like let's say you wanted something that wasn't, you know, listed in my store, you can always contact me and I can customize an item for your skin. All right, and I'm really excited about that because Hazel deodorant is one of the key things that I will be dropping this month, and I am tweaking some little things with it, and I'm really excited to see how this turns out and the feedback from you guys. So definitely go over there, check out that. And well, actually it's not up yet. I'm gonna be dropping it this month. It's not up yet, but going over to my Etsy shop, you know, favorite the store, support me, you know, shameless plug. I don't care because I do what I do, and yeah, you're gonna hear about it. So I'm gonna be dropping that product. And also, okay, if you wanna know a secret, okay, I'm gonna be doing an underarm detox, a deodorant spray, and what was the other one? Oh, and an underarm purifying cleanser. Okay, so those are three products for the underarms that are going to be dropping in my Etsy shop this month. So definitely go favorite, stay tuned, keep an eye out. I can't wait to get those up and going for you guys. But all in all, back to Witch Hazel deodorant. I want to tweak it a little bit more for my own body chemistry. Okay, I just really think there's something with that Witch Hazel that gave that sweet and sour smell underneath the arm. Would I use it again besides that? Yes, it worked. You know, it worked for me, and it was simple. You know, I made a little, and you spray it and you go. And it was really simple, and I like the fact that it was really simple. Now, with this, I want to also, before I sign off on this video, I also want to say I have been deodorant free or chemical deodorant free for years now. So my body is used to it. My body is detoxed. My underarm is detoxed. I'm really used to it. So this is simple. If you are somebody who is starting off, and I say this in all of my videos pretty much when it comes to me and my giving you guys advice when it comes to the underarm journey or going natural underneath the arms, you're going to have to detox that body first. Using this right off the back, you're not going to be used to it. You have to detox first, get used to how your body feels without any aluminum and sweating, and you have to do all of that. I have a full video on how to go natural underneath the arms. I'll leave it above, down below. But when you're more into the mix, I feel like this is something that can help you out to maintain that. Off the back, I don't really suggest using something like this because your body's not used to not relying on aluminum and your body's not detoxified, okay? But yeah, so that's a whole nother video, and I have a bunch of videos talking about detoxifying the underarm, and I'm like super rambling in this video. But anyways, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's just a quick update on this Witch Hazel deodorant spray. I did like it, besides the sweet and sour smell that was kind of weird, but I mean, it did the job as far as like not making me smell bad. I didn't smell like a freaking onion or anything like that. And yeah, I would definitely tweak it a little bit for my liking, but I would definitely wear it again. All right, so you guys make sure to go and check out my Etsy shop. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, share this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.